Hello everyone. Now we will be discussing about the program 2, which is divided into two parts, that is 2A and 2B. So we will discuss the 2A program first. After that we will move on to the 2B. 2A program is this: design a superclass called staff with details as staff ID, name, phone and salary. Extend this class by writing three subclasses, namely teaching, domain publications, technical skills and contract period. Write a Java program to read and display at least three staff objects of all three categories. That means we have to design a superclass called staff, and the details or the members of the staff are staff ID, name, phone, and salary. And we have to use the concept of inheritance here to extend this class. We have to write three subclasses. The first subclass is teaching, and it will have the uh, extra members as domain and publications. Then the second subclass is technical, which is having skills, and contract, which is having period. So we have to create a Java program to read and display at least three staff objects. Now what you do here is staff is a superclass. So what I'm doing here is I have declared all the three variables and I have constructed a constructor for this. So constructor, I have assigned the values. I will tell you why when we are using this one. Okay. Now this is a display function. I'll be displaying here staff ID, phone, salary and name. Now as you know, teaching, okay, we'll start from the main function. So this is a main function. So I have created another class which is called the multi-level class. So this program will be having two classes. Now the multi-level class is having the program which is, it's the class which contains the main function. So when we save this program, you have to save in this way multi-level.java. Now what I'm doing here is I'm creating the first uh, object of the teaching class. So teaching is the first subclass for this, that is teaching T1 is equal to new teaching, and all these values I'm passing here. So when you see this one, see staff is the superclass and teaching is the class which extends staff. So class teaching extends staff, which is the extra variables which is containing domain and publications, and it is having the constructor here where ID, number, salary, then which are the things like salary, name, phone number, staff ID, name, and extra it will be having domain and publications. So domain and publications will be like this. So ID, number, salary, name, these are the four things which is taken from the superclass, and domain and publications will be extra here. Now what I'll do is I'm calling the super function, that is super function, which calls the superclass by passing ID, number, salary and name, so that which all these variables which is there in the superclass will be inherited here. Now D is assigned to the domain here, and this is number of publications will be assigned to number of publications here. Same here, we will be displaying all these things. These are the information which is to be displayed. Extra is what? Domain and publications. Now technical is another class which extends this class. Same way we are doing it. Only thing is we are following all these four variables from the top, and which is the one sk is the extra one which you are getting here. So sk which is copied to the skills. Now in the contract also again we are displaying it. Now in the contract also same thing, we are taking NA and PD, period from the user, and all these four things will be there in the superclass. We are taking it. So and we are displaying this one. So this is the way we are doing this one. Hope you understood this one. So what we will do is we will create three objects for the teaching, and we will create three objects for the technical, and we will create three objects for the contract class, and we will pass different variables. All these things are we are displaying it by using the corresponding display function. Now we will see how we will be able to run this. So for that, what I have to do here is I have to copy the 2A program, and I'm putting it on the Eclipse. See, this program you have to type it, then only you will be able to identify the mistakes in this. So I'm creating a new class here. The class name is multi-level. and I'm copying it here. So here technical, the space is there in this. That's only mistake in this. You have to correct the errors. Then click on run. Okay. When you click on run, you can see here the details. See, teaching staff details. Staff ID was what? 11. See, I'll tell you how we got 11. See, 11 is the thing that we passed from here. See, this is 11 and this is the phone number. This is a phone number. 31,000 annual CSE publication is done. Okay, and the second student details. Teaching second faculty's details is 12. Then this is the number, salary, name, branch and domain. Okay, now all these things are the, see, when we see these are the teaching staff, and as you know, these will be the, see, these are the technical staff details. So 3 staff details are there. Then contract staff details. So only thing is in the contract, this contract period comes extra along with the 4 variables. The contract period comes extra, and in the technical staff along with these 4 variables, skills comes extra, and for the teaching along with this 4, domain and publications comes extra. So this is the way you have to execute this program. Now moving on to the second B program. So the sample output also is given in the PPT, the same thing as I have described now in the Eclipse IDE. Now this is 2B program. Write a Java class called customer to store their name and date of birth. The date of birth format should be dd/mm/yyyy. Write methods to read customer data as name dd/mm/yyyy and display as name, dd, mm, yyyy using string tokenizer. So what you do is we will be reading the date of birth in the form of this, and we have to display like this. You have to use the concept of the string tokenizer class here. So here this is the program. String customer is the program name, it's class name, and here one more this main function is written here. What it is written, it has created the customer details. It's created an array of the objects, and we have taken the number of customers, and we have read the data. So how to read the data? We have read the data using scanner, and when we display it, you can see like this is string tokenizer. I have created the object, new string tokenizer, date, delimiter. So delimiter will be the delimiter for taking this one, and st has more tokens is another function in this, which is used to find out any more tokens are there, that is any more elements are there or not, and we are printing it. So you will understand better when we are doing the simulation part for this. I am creating the class customer. Now when I run this, enter the number of customer. I am giving the customer name as 1. And after enter the name of the customer, what should I do? I have to enter name and date. So name is 7, date of birth is 26/1987. Then see, you got the output like this. So this is about the video that we have done. For the 2A and 2B program. Hope you understood this one. So here the delimiter slash is replaced by comma. This is by using the string tokenizer class. Hope you understood this one. So try to solve the, try to do the program by yourself, correct the mistakes, and then execute this. If you have any doubt, you can contact me directly. So this is by using string tokenizer class. So we hope you understood what is the use of string tokenizer class. We will divide a string into tokens. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.